Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 6 trades. Today's date is April the 1st and I'm using my Magic Scalper trading system. This system has the Heikin-Ashi candles along with the super signal arrows. Now you'll get an audio sound and a pop-up box like you see right here suggesting to buy or sell. So every morning at 6 o'clock, I'm in front of the computer. That's right where this vertical line is. That's New York time. Looking at all the different instruments and of course taking a look at my daily trade plan. Now once I make a decision I want to be buying or selling, I'll manually put in this white arrow. That just reminds me whether I want to be, buying or selling. Now here's my daily trade plan. It's running in real time. It's calculating all the different time frames from the 30 minutes all the way up to the monthly. Once it does all the calculations, within the comments here, it'll either say look for bearish trades, bullish trades, some are even preferred, and every once in a while it'll say not enough strength. Now it is preset for day trading. In other words, there's more weight put on the 30 minutes than the 1 hour. But if you want to swing trade or position trade, you can change the settings so that higher time frames, there will be more weight put on it. So it's very user friendly. It's not that difficult. And of course, if you have any questions about the daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me. And I do prefer to use Skype. Now sometimes everything lines up as such. This pound New Zealand, it's even saying right here to buy, but sometimes it just won't break through the resistance, so it's just going to float around. It may be another hour or two. It could break through at any point. But once I look at the totals and I know that I have at least 200 or more pips and ticks, well, I just close out the trades and I'm done trading for the day. So let's see. This is the only one I bought, so let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. So it went up a little bit, back and forth. That's the way the market's moving. And obviously I don't even have to try to figure out the pips because it's right at 0, and 0 means 0 pips. And of course, if I closed it out at this point where the price action is now, I'd be up a couple of pips or whatever that may be from there to there. 2 pips. Anyhow, that's the way life goes. Let's move on to the next one, which is the S&P 500. Now in this S&P 500, it pays $5 for each tick. So I took the money divided by 5. Calculator says it's 45 ticks. So let's drag and drop this up. Now all the rest of the trades, I sold it, as you can see. Obviously selling up here, but I was a little bit later with a few distractions around the house. But I knew that it could go back up even higher than this, hook around and continue to go down, which is what it's doing right now. But let's see now. What did I say? 45. So let's go and look for that 45. There it is right there. 45 ticks, paying out $225. Moving on to the next trade. Euro dollar and the pound dollar, because the USD is on the right hand side. It does pay $10 for each tick. So looking at the money, well, let's see. This pound dollar should be 27. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Arrow from the daily trade plan. Here, super signal arrow. Did qualify for a great way to trade. Like I was 95% sure I had a winner. And so what did I say? 27. There it is right there. 27 ticks, paying out $270. Moving on to the euro dollar. Euro dollar. Here we go. Looking at the money. Well, easy to see that this should be 31 pips. So we'll drag and drop this up. Same situation. Arrow daily trade plan, super signal, did qualify for a great way to trade. So let's go and look for those 31 ticks, or pips. In Forex it's pips, so it's 31 pips, paying out $310. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the Dow Jones. Now the Dow Jones pays $5 for each tick, so it took the money divided by 5. Calculator says it should be 204. So knew I wanted to be selling it. Daily trade plan, super signal, everything. And in real time when I took the trade, everything top and bottom was screaming it's going to go down. And took the trade at this cursor, and I said it should be 204. There it is right there, 204. If I was still in the trade, I'd be up 269, but did turn out to be 204, which is what I ended up with, and that paid out $1,020. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the Russell. Russell pays $10 for each tick, so easy to see this should be 201 ticks. And let's drag and drop this up and see where I got in at. Arrow from the daily trade plan, super signal there and there. Everything on the top and the bottom, including it did qualify for a great way to trade. So pull the trigger at this cursor. And what did I say? 201. 201. There it is right there. 201 right there. 201. You remove the last digit. And all of those ticks paid out $2,010. And it's very clear to see that, as usual, the futures, the indexes, they move a lot more and they pay a lot more. So another great day of trading using my magic scalper. And of course I knew it was going to be over 200. Pips and ticks, grand total came to 508. And all of those pips and ticks paid out $3,835. So if your system's not producing like my magic scalper, I recommend you get your hands on it. And don't forget about the daily trade plan. So if you have any questions or you want to buy anything at all, well, all you got to do is look right below this video in the description. You'll see a box, a banner, or just click on the word more or the banner. It'll open up another box. It'll give you all my contact information plus a lot of other information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me directly, or you can just send me an email. I have an extra minute and I wanted to show you one of the packages that you'll see below in the description. It's called the Fitmaster Tool. You would just click on this tab right here. You would click from swing pivot high to swing pivot low, which is right here. Now price action on this blue candle came back and hit entry number 3. So if it hits usually 1, 2, or 3, it'll normally hit the target of 2, 3, 4, 5, and on many days it can go even up to 10. So it has 10 different targets. See if I can open this up a little bit more. Here it is right here. Swing high, swing low, hit it right here on the goal line. Like I said, entry 3, and away it went. Fibonacci works because millions of traders all over the world are using Fibonacci. It's called the Fibmaster full course, comes complete with 30 training videos. Now in the description you'll also see a grand total of 4 packages. Do have a special offer. If you buy any 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other 2 for free. So if you have any questions, like I said earlier, just get in contact with me. And I do prefer Skype. I made a link below. All you got to do is click on it. Even if you think you don't have Skype, well, we'll have a Skype connection, and at that point I can answer your questions. So it looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.